My name is Amy Leos-Urbel. I live in Northampton, Massachusetts. And my favorite Yiddish word or phrase, I mean, this isn't like my permanent favorite, but it's what popped into my head with the question, is tsibele kikhl. And I just like how it sounds. It sort of makes me chuckle. And I don't think I actually ever ate tsibele kikhl.
What is tsibele kikhl?
Tsibele is onion, and kikhl is like a cookie or a little, some kind of doughy thing. And I know that my grandmother made them. My mother will talk about, kind of remembering them. I just remember the word. But the reason I like it is, as I said, I like the sound of it. And also, whenever I say it or think it, I totally picture my grandmother's face. It's like, it's funny. There are lots of other things that I associate very strongly with her too, but just that word somehow conjures her up, and so it's very sweet.